I now introduce Swami Bodhamayananda. He is the director of Vivekananda Institute of Human Excellence, VIHE, Ramakrishna Math, Hyderabad. Sri Bodhamayananda is an adherent of Swami Vivekananda's teachings. He has organized youth conventions and meditation classes for young students. He also delivered a lecture in NITE University on stress management. He was a keynote speaker at a symposium on role of professional students in making India the global workforce in Jawaharlal Nehru Technological University, Hyderabad. He will be joining us in a few moments.
Okay, my namaskars to all of you, the organizers of this wonderful webinar this afternoon on Sunday, the 2nd of August, on different issues of academic excellence, academic situation today, whether it's administration, whether it is education, psychology, and I've been asked to just share some thoughts with you this afternoon on religious studies. Though I'm coming from the Ramakrishna Math here in Hyderabad and taking care of the Vivekananda Institute of Human Excellence, which is a unit of Ramakrishna Math Hyderabad, which itself speaks about what exactly we are doing. The Institute of Human Excellence is a 20-year-old institute, though Ramakrishna Math Hyderabad is there from 1971. 2000 AD, we started this institution with a view that what the educational system, the schools, colleges, the universities, or teachers, parents, are not able to fill up that gap of human excellence, not fully as expected. We take care of the subject called human excellence. People from all backgrounds participate in our training program on different days, from morning till evening. The 5th standard boy from any school, from any background, and up to the post-graduation level. And also the professionals can come, undergo this training for 1 week on life skills, on soft skills, on meditation, on yoga, and combine it with their, what I call, their professional excellence. Let him be a doctor, let him be a lawyer, let him be a chartered accountant, let him be a teacher, a police officer, a secretariat staff. Anybody can walk in, participate for a week, 10 days, 1 month, depending on their time availability. End of the day, what human excellence is called is Shrestha Purushaha. We need, just now as Professor Nageshwara was speaking about the situation today in the country, how there is a lot of gap between the haves and the have-nots. So this is where human excellence matters. This is where study of religion matters.